Alright, so they look really cool parked next to each other. But today I'm going to grab the mirrors and the seats. Foolish of me, I forgot to grab the front lip because I really don't like how high the front lip sits in comparison to the rest. Granted, I still have to lower the front a little bit, but I need the lip, but I'll grab it another day. I'm probably going to order another set of these to throw on this car. Because I'm definitely not taking those off. But yeah, that's all I gotta do. Seats, mirrors, boom. Okay, so I got the seats, and again, they're Kevlar for those who didn't know. They're from the Dakar e36. I'm not gonna be keeping them in this car because this car is carbon, so this will have carbon back seats. I also got the mirrors. I don't know if you guys can see them down there, but yeah, I took the mirrors off as well. And we're gonna go home, throw all this stuff in and on, probably vacuum out the car, adjust the seat bracket rail thingies so they fit better, and then yeah. Oh man, it's really, really hot, but I'm glad there's shade in my backyard, so it won't be all that bad. But yeah, I'll get you guys in the next clip. So the seats are out. These are the seats that are going in. They're the same Kevlar back ones from the E36. Oh my god, from the Dakar. But yeah, it desperately needs to be vacuumed first because yeah, it's gross. So I'm about to grab one of the vacuums, attempt to vacuum it out. Not too crazy because I'm gonna have to take the seats out in a couple days anyway because I need harnesses. But yeah. So we're about to go do that, and when that's done, throw the seats in, throw the gainer doors on, then go for a quick little drive to my bro's house. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys later. Well, hopefully this is a good angle. So I might way off, but for now it's good. I'm just gonna do a quick drive. So yeah, hopefully the thing doesn't stop recording. It used to do. It's really weird to drive like this actually, without being able to. I'm gonna order harnesses and then I'll probably change it in the next day or two. I could probably count on one hand how many times in my whole life this light has turned red on me. But yeah. like the guy told me, like when you're trying to shift fast, there's like it turned red again. What the hell? But yeah, like there's like a little wall that you meet when you're trying to shift fast. But yeah, this is really annoying. I don't know if it was in the last clip too, but or if I shut it off, but there was this light turned red, and it literally never turns red because nobody crosses there. It just literally did it twice. Sure I could get used to the seating position, but it's very, very weird. Why I need to start driving with my firearms. supercharged is so quick, like it just reacts to everything so quick. It's smooth and everything like that, but it's just like it needs that little bit more, and that's all. But one thing is, driving, like they say, driving a slow car fast is more fun than driving a fast car slow, because you can rev this shit out all the way for, like, when the M3 was supercharged, you can't even get to the end of second gear. You're way up in the speed. But in this, I just almost redlined third and I was only at 80. Granted, that's way more than the speed limit in Mexico. You should not do it. But, you know, just for the sake of testing my computer generated graphics and whatnot, I'm showing you guys what it would be like to drive something like this on the streets. Not sure if I mentioned it in one of the last videos, but if I could get like 30 horsepower out of this with installing the injectors, I may put in one of the Walbro 450s, intake, exhaust, retune on 85. If I could get like 30 more horsepower, 40 at the most, but that I don't know, I already know that's not happening. But if I could get that much 30 horsepower, this thing would be perfect for now, because I'm boosting it, like, because I just, it's not